Welcome back to Quizvora. Are you ready to unbox squishy dumplings? Choose your squishy, but be careful. One of the boxes is hiding a trick. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quizvora channel for more exciting quizzes. It's time to choose your first squishy dumpling box. Can you avoid the trap? Did you expect that? Time to make your choice. You're doing amazing! Are you ready for the next squishy box? Who got the trap box? This one might be tricky. Next squishy box, it's not as easy as it looks. What a clever choice! Are you ready to choose again? Who's got the best strategy? Ready for the next round? Think outside the box. Who's feeling lucky? You're on fire. Choose your box. Think twice before answering. Nice pick. Pick wisely. You've got this fantastic guess. Which one will you pick? Who loved this round? Comment. Would you rather gold squishy or rainbow squishy? If you choose gold squishy, like the video, or you choose rainbow squishy, subscribe Quizvora channel. Choose your dumpling box. Let's keep going. Next round. Let's keep going. Choose only one steam box. This is getting exciting. Great, next squishy box. Good job! Next squishy box that was a risky move. Pick wisely, that was unexpected. Choose only one Steam box. This is getting exciting. Choose only one Steam box. This is getting exciting. Last round. If you choose A, like the video. If you should be Dumpling box, subscribe Quizvora channel.
How many marks you got? Please comment. Take your next challenge and subscribe Whiz channel.